What's up guys, Aaron here. Today we're going over the blasters for Nerf gun game 11. Yes, that's right, Nerf gun game 11. We have the sickest location and we got some of the sickest blasters around. So I'm just gonna go over the 20 blasters for the video. Kind of a little bit of an overview. This is the first video we're shooting in the Nerf armory here. Let me know what you guys think down below. I think it's pretty sick. I'm pretty happy with it. So yeah, we're almost at 3 million subscribers. By the time you're seeing this, we might be past it. Thank you guys so much. Maybe asking Aaron, where did you get the most amazing hoodie that blends in with your freaking background? It's coming out soon. AaronNesser.com/shop. I am so proud of this merch. I think it looks so good, and there's more than just a hoodie. So stay tuned for that. You can get your own very shortly. All right, let's get started. So we got a lot of blasters here. Let's start with the Overwatch blasters. They are, oh my gosh, they're beautiful. We got the NERF Reaper Overwatch blasters. These are rival blasters. Man, they are so slick looking. It's crazy. Ooh. So you just prop these back right here. They hold, I think, 7 or 8 shots. They're not very easy to use, especially the double. Reaper has both. Shoots them. You can't really do that. It's way easier to do one at a time. On their own, they're super awesome. They're more of like a cosplay thing. They look super cool. If you like Overwatch and you like Rival, I highly recommend getting them. We also got Diva's Pistol, another Rival blaster. Jeez. Couple rounds in here. Followed up by MCREE's pistol. I prime it back from the top, and you can put a single round in here, but secretly you can put more than one. Such a cool looking blaster. Extremely difficult to use, especially when you're gonna put one round in at a time. Come on, Nerf. It's high noon somewhere in the world. We got the RUCKUS, loaded with darts, pull it down to the bottom. I don't like this. It's annoying. I don't really like it. Next up, we got the Mega Bulldog. It's like this, but then press the button and you can, so cool. You can prime it back right here. 3 darts in the front, can also hold 3 darts on the side. Fire 3 times in a row. Simple, easy to use. And if you want to, you can compact it, which is nice. I like this guy. We got the FORTNITE blasters, the SPL, or the Silence Pistol Legendary. I like the FORTNITE blasters a lot. They're super smooth. They look awesome. I like how they're very life size. Like this feels like it would be the actual size in real life if it was from the game. The pistol holds 3 shots, super smooth, feels so good. You literally feel like you're pistoling people in Fortnite. And then the Scar, again, life size as well. The only thing I wish is the stock was a little bit bigger, but I'm 25 years old. For you kids out there, it's probably perfect. It's a flywheel, revs up. Next up, we got a ZombiStrike QUADROT. Holds 4 elite darts in the front. Just prime it back, shoots 4 in a row. 1, 2, 3. 4. Ooh, that's nice. I like blasters that can hold lots of shots and it's easy to reload and fire, and this is one because a lot of blasters this size will only fire like 1 or 2 at a time, but this will hold 4 and super easy to reload from the front. It's great. I like it. Then we got a LONGSTRIKE CS6 MODULUS. This is basically a reskin of the original LONGSTRIKE from years ago, but it's a MODULUS gun. So this used to be a gun in blue, which is right here. Comes with a bunch of cool attachments like a bipod, a scope, a front barrel, and it can hold 2 extra magazines in the back here, which is really nice. It comes with white magazines, but they're shaped weird and they don't even fit properly in the back. The regular 6 orange mags, they work great. I think this blaster looks sick. This is the ZombiStrike NAILBITER. I also got one of the latest ZombiStrike attachment kits, so I thought I'd throw that on there. Look at that. Looks pretty cool. I like blasters like this because we don't have to do anything other than pull the trigger. Super simple. And this guy's cool because you can reload from the back here. This guy's super cool. I actually really like this guy. All right, here's all the next blasters. I'm really excited for this gun game because we have an awesome location. It's like a Ninja Warrior course, kind of like glow in the dark neon lights kind of feel, gymnasium You'll see it when the video comes out, but it's pretty awesome. So hopefully the video can turn out really well. We can do all sorts of stunts and flips and climb on things and jump in foam pits and stuff. It should be pretty awesome. Okay, so they reskin the Alpha Trooper and the AccuStrike skin. It's you just prime back and forth in the front here, and it came with a 25 dart drum, which is really cool. Not having to prime it from the top or even the bottom, just having it at the front here is really nice. Makes it super smooth and easy to shoot. We got a Chronos. We used this one in a bunch of videos before. This is like the rival pistol, except I saw that there was a blue version. I was like, we gotta use it. Here's a Doomlands pistol. I can't remember the name of it, but it's super simple. Jolt reskin. You just prime it from the back, single fire. Comes with this detachable scope. Next up, I can't remember the name of this game. I can't even remember what it was in the box when I opened it, but it's like a pass it to your friend. Oh, the ball here is pretty soft, which is good so that when we throw it at each other, it won't hurt. Next up, I think this is pretty cool. This is an old vintage NERF thingy that shoots yellow balls that they definitely don't make anymore. I was at an event, Jared's Epic NERF Battle, and someone asked if I wanted to buy this off them, and I was like, yes please, that's super vintage. And I remember playing with this when I was like a young kid with my grandparents, so I was like, oh, that's super nostalgic for me, and I'll use it for Nerf Gun Game 11. So you just pull it back here, and it shoots the 3 little balls that it has in it. And then you can just fill it back up from the top. Next up, we got the NERF Modulus Shadow ICS-6. This guy has a button here to make it glow. Whoa. You can reload up to 6 darts from the top here. There's just a hole in the top there that it reloads super easy. And you just prime it back and forth up here. I don't think it works very well, and it's kind of dumb. I think it should either rev up or be smaller. All right, here's a bunch of micro shots, which will either be the first or last weapon or something like that. I have a whole bunch of different ones. The Loot Llama, a Star Wars one, a Spider-Man one, Iron Man one, Captain America, Torbjorn from Overwatch. Then there's also 2 more FORTNITE ones here. I got 2 rival HYPNOSes here, one red, one blue. This is kind of cool. The stock folds in and out. There's a little button here that pops this guy in and out. This is so much easier to reload than the older previous rival rounds. Just slide it in, and then if you want to, you can click it out with a button. Oh my gosh, so much easier. And then you just can load it, prime it from the bottom here. Obviously, the blue one's better. And to finish her off, we got a bunch of Fury swords. These were on sale for the first time in forever, and they were only like 12 bucks, so I bought, I think, like 10 of them. Because why not, right? I'm sure we'll use these in a bunch of videos upcoming as well. So these are great. I love the NERF melee weapons, and for a reasonable price, I had to buy a whole bunch. These are like only half of them, but I think these will be a great melee weapon. And then we got the FORTNITE pickaxe, whatever this thing is. It says right on it, this is not a toy. It's solid plastic, so gonna hurt one of my friends when I smack him in the face with it for the final kill of Nerf Gun Game 11. So yeah, that's all the weapons for Nerf Gun Game 11. Stay tuned for the real video coming real soon to a YouTube channel near you. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, make sure you smash the like button, comment down below. Let me know what blaster weapon you guys are most excited to see in the video, as well what you think of the NERF Armory setup for filming videos like this. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see y'all later. Bye-bye!